Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to uninstall programs or apps or softwares in a Windows 11 machine. Well, there are different ways we can do that. The simplest way is through control panel. Okay, so go to the search icon over here and just search for control panel and go ahead and click on control panel over here, and here just choose view by category. Okay, next here you can see the option programs. So just go ahead and click on this link, that is uninstall a program, and here you can see the list of installed apps or programs, and here you need to choose the program or software or the app that you want to uninstall. For example, in my case I am going to uninstall this app, that is Java Development Kit 21. Okay, so in order to uninstall the app or a program, just select it and here go ahead and click on this uninstall button, and here you will get a pop-up, are you sure want to uninstall this app? So just click on yes, and here you can also have a checkbox, in the future do not show me this dialog box, just select it and click on yes. So this will uninstall the selected program or app. Okay, and here if you can review again, the program or app is successfully uninstalled over here. Another way is just go to the search and here just type settings and go ahead and choose settings over here, and here choose the apps, and here you can see installed apps. So just click on it. So here you can see the list of installed apps. Next you want to uninstall one of the app. For example, let us say you want to uninstall this IntelliJ IDEA. So what you can do is you can just click on this three dots over here and just click on this uninstall. So this will uninstall the selected program. So this is another way. One more quick way is just go to the search icon over here and here just type the app name that you want to uninstall. For example, here I am going to uninstall Eclipse. So I am going to just type Eclipse over here, and notice here the app Eclipse, and here you can see the options open, run as an administrator, and then finally uninstall. So if you want to uninstall this app, just click on this uninstall button. So this is one more way to uninstall the app. Okay, so these are different ways that you can use to uninstall app or a program or a software in a Windows 11 machine. Alright, great. I will see you in the next video.